Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to send XRP to Coinbase wallet. First, understand that Coinbase does not directly support XRP for direct transfers into its wallet. This means you cannot send XRP directly from another wallet or exchange to your Coinbase wallet. Instead, you'll need to use an intermediary exchange to convert your XRP into a cryptocurrency that Coinbase wallet does support, like Stellar Lumens or Litecoin, before transferring. The only way to effectively get value from your XRP into your Coinbase wallet is through an intermediary exchange. Begin by choosing a reliable exchange that lists XRP and also supports a cryptocurrency compatible with Coinbase wallet. Once you've selected one, transfer your XRP from its current wallet to this intermediary exchange. After the XRP arrives, you will then convert it into a supported asset like Stellar Lumens or Litecoin. After converting your XRP on the intermediary exchange, navigate to your Coinbase wallet and locate the deposit address for the newly acquired, supported cryptocurrency. Carefully copy this address. Then, return to the intermediary exchange and initiate a withdrawal of your converted funds to your Coinbase wallet address. It is crucial to double-check the recipient address and any necessary memo or tag to ensure your funds arrive safely and correctly. When performing these transfers, always be mindful of the transaction fees that each exchange might charge, as these can impact the total amount you receive. Also, remember that transaction times can vary significantly based on the specific cryptocurrency you choose and the current network congestion. Patience is key during this process. And for an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals in the description below. Always verify all details before confirming any transaction to prevent loss of funds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.